So you've been praying. You've whispered your hopes at 2 a.m., lit candles, folded hands, maybe even tried manifesting with a YouTube playlist on loop. But nothing's happening. You're probably thinking, does the universe have me on mute? Let's talk. A study once showed that 94% of people pray for something specific, like success, health, love, but less than 6% feel like their prayers actually work. Why? Because most people are doing prayer wrong. And yes, there is such a thing as wrong prayer. We treat prayer like a customer service ticket. Hi, God, here's what I need. Please respond in 24 to 48 business hours. Thanks. But that's not faith. That's a wish list. The Bhagavad Gita doesn't define prayer as begging. It defines it as alignment. Krishna says, "To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me." Prayer is not asking, it's becoming. If you pray for peace but live in chaos, your vibration cancels your request. If you ask for clarity while feeding anxiety, your signal's jammed. Your brain sends out 60,000 thoughts a day. If only 2 of those are faith and the rest are worry, guess what wins? Prayer works when you do. So here's the fix. Stop treating prayer like magic. Start treating it like alignment. Speak, surrender. Then live like it's already answered. Because faith isn't, "I hope it happens." Faith is, "It's already done." And when you start showing up like the answer's on its way, it usually is.